Right now, the world is being rebuilt, not with bricks or concrete, but with artificial intelligence, adapting, and soon, it will run almost everything. Every job, every business, every system you know will be touched by AI. And the question isn't if, it's who controls it. If AI stays in the hands of a few centralized corporations, they'll control the algorithms, the data, and ultimately, you. They'll decide who gets access, what information spreads, and even what opportunities exist in this new economy. That's not progress. That's digital slavery disguised as innovation. But there's another path. A decentralized AI, built on blockchain by the people, for the people, where AI power isn't owned by a handful of corporations, preempt, paired across a global network, transparent, secure, free from censorship, and built to serve humanity, not control it. This is why being part of the next AI build, the decentralized one, dissolution, isn't just an opportunity, it's a responsibility. Because if we don't build it, someone else will, and they won't build it for us. The future of AI is being written right now. Competitiveness. You can watch it happen or help shape it. Join the movement. Be part of building a decentralized AI that gives people freedom, control, and ownership of the future. Because once AI takes over, the only question left will be, who's really in control?